What is up, y'all, and welcome back to another vlog on this channel. So I didn't even record earlier today. It's 4 o'clock. It's 4:15. And the flight is supposed to leave at 5:45. So we just got to the airport. I got my carry-on bag, all my stuff. I gotta charge my portable charger when we get inside the airplane. Y'all, there's a lot of people here. I thought there should be nobody on the plane on Thursday at evening time. It's 4 or 5 at evening time. Kyla, my bag heavy. That's literally all I'm bringing in my bag. So I had to squeeze everything in there. I got the computer, so I'll be able to edit videos and stuff because I'm gonna be doing a lot of filming. Oh shoot. Why are people here?
We're gonna just slide it. Put it down. It's too heavy.
Yeah, please don't, because you're hurting yourself. Ooh, baby. Whew, that is heavy. Alright, y'all, I think I'm the last one aboard. I didn't know that they called my zone, but I got my Cinnabon, I got water, and I have my bag with me. My mom just left. Y'all, I'm trying to limit myself. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna have a window seat, y'all, so we gonna get some good view. Oh, I'm right here. Excuse me. Yes. I'm sorry, I'm about to get my bag.
Purchase your tracks today.
Right now, there's a thunderstorm right over the field, and then
to the grocery store and I can be carrying bags.
Oh, did you get your chicken nuggets?
I ate some today too.
We're gonna put this back here. Thank you. So basically, I'm here at the house and I thought I would go ahead and show y'all around a little bit. It's getting a little bit dark, so I will put like a few clips from like earlier during the day. But I'm in the bathroom right now. But I'm gonna show y'all a little bit around in my room, all that good stuff. So yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned. It's a little chill area. You can't even see nothing. Hold on. Hold up. Oh shoot, I'm pressing the wrong thing. I don't know what I'm pressing. Ooh. Okay, anyways, this is a little chill room. You feel me? You feel me? Downstairs area. Rooms is my room right here. As soon as you come up to the left. It's a mess right now, but this is my room. They got me a mirror. And then this bread spread, it says good vibes only, and that says never miss a chance to sparkle. This is cute. All my stuff right here. I put some things in the closet, so I have a few things in there. Y'all, a lot of YouTube videos are going to be made in this house. Just to let y'all know, I let my dad know already. I'm like, YouTube videos are on the way, okay, period, because yeah. But that's mostly the upstairs area. I'm not really gonna get into depth about anything, but just know videos are coming, and I'm gonna go ahead and see y'all in different vlogs. I know this vlog was all over the place, but I really hope that y'all enjoyed it. It was my first time flying on a plane by myself. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will keep y'all updated. This morning I went to the store. I got me a new memory card, so definitely more new videos on the way. I have a main channel video that I'm gonna be editing right now, and yeah, so thank y'all so much for watching, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next vlog. Bye, y'all.
Show you all the shit I need. I heard niggas plotting on my chain. Got a rocket on me now. You play some things, I bust your brain.